Afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Some of us may have used the then social media network called the Friendster, and one of its usual content were the so-called testimonials. Young ones then, or Friendster users then, would even say, or would say to their co-Friendster user, patesti naman. Testimonials were just words to describe that person, a post of gratitude, a post of stories, or shall we say testimonials in the largest and its truest sense. We were taught then that when praying, we adore, we say sorry, we ask the Lord for something, and we give thanks. But in front of the Lord, will it be fine to be inspired how Moses in our first reading testified to the mercy, to the goodness of the Lord for His people? That we won't just stand in front of the Lord to ask something. We will stand in front of Him because we will testify in front of Him. We will testify that for every day you have done good things to us. You continue to remember us. Such is one thing that Jesus continues to point out with the Jews. A lot of testimonies were given about Him and about the works of the Lord. But with all of the testimonies, none proved to be fitting for them. They set aside testimonies. Umayaw sila sa madaming patotoo at tinanggihan ang mga patotoong ito. Alam niyo po, madami-dami tayong pwedeng maging patotoo patungkol sa Diyos sa buhay natin. Nilikha niya tayo, binuhay niya tayo, kinaawaan tayo, pinagpala tayo, pinalakas tayo, at sa madaming bagay na ginawa ng Diyos, mga pagpapatotoo natin ito, testigo tayo sa patuloy niyang pagkilos sa atin na araw-araw. And while it is good to testify in front of God, it is also good to testify these things in front of each other. Our testimonies will be helpful for them to love God. Our testimonies will be great treasures for them now to love and believe in God. Why do we welcome and pray for catechumens this Lent? Because our testimony of life proved them that faith in the Lord is true, that love of God is true. Why do we all love God? Because every day is but a testimony of God's immense mercy and grace every day. These days of Lent, my dear brothers and sisters, let us present ourselves in front of the Lord and testify everything that He has done. But let us also try to testify about the Lord to whomever we meet today. Maging patotoo sa kabutihan ng Diyos araw-araw. Just by seeing our life and who we are, may we appreciate always every good deed and every mercy that the Lord has blessed us with.